Welcome to Coach IQ. Today we are doing part 2 MCQs of political parties, and every question is going to be related to an image, to a picture given in your text. First, you have to narrow down from which lesson is this, so your work becomes much easier. Then try and understand what is the image trying to tell you, and if there is some line below, a sentence below, whatever text is given, read it. Very often it may not be given. So you analyze the image and answer the questions. So here now the first question relating to this image is, first I explain the image to you. You have a candidate and she is submitting some document to an officer. What really hits you is that there is an amount written on it, and it's a huge amount, 50 crores. So that first thing you understand is the candidate is extremely wealthy. But there's another side to it, and that is that the candidate is accountable. The candidate has to submit some information regarding her wealth, her assets, her liabilities. So now the question formed is, which political reform is depicted in this cartoon? Anti-defection law, pressurizing the leaders, or submission of affidavit? Now it cannot be the first one. I've already explained what defection is, so it does not relate to this image. Pressurizing the leaders? No. C is the right one. It is submission of affidavit. Affidavit is an official document which you are submitting with certain whatever details they have asked you. So the answer is C. The next MCQ, again related to the same figure, is, what is the challenge faced by the political parties? Growing role of money and muscle power, dynastic succession, lack of meaningful choice. It is A. Because there is a lot of money getting involved in politics. You have rich people, companies getting involved. So this is a major challenge faced by the political parties. So the answer is A. In the next image, you see this person. There's a TV and there are some images and there are strings and the control is in his hands. So who is this person? You have three options. George Bush, President of USA, Berlusconi, Prime Minister of Italy, Justin Trudeau, Prime Minister of Canada. The answer is B, Berlusconi, Prime Minister of Italy. That is the answer. Now again related to this same image, what is written? Berlusconi was the Prime Minister of Italy. He is also one of the top businessmen in Italy, founder of Forza Italia, founded in 1993. His company owns TV channels, publishing company, football club, a bank. This cartoon was made during the last elections. Now, what is the question? What is the challenge that political parties face? What is shown via this image? Options: role of money and muscle power, dynastic succession, lack of internal democracy. The answer is C, lack of internal democracy. That is, power is in the hands of one or two or more top leaders. So few leaders in the party hold all the power. So here they are showing Berlusconi, who is owning all these things, and all the power is in his hand because he is the puppeteer and the others are the puppets. Again with the same image, it could come, what does this picture emphasize? Power in the hands of one of your top leaders, person is directing a TV show, all the strings are entangled. The answer is A, power in the hands of one of few top leaders. The next MCQ, here an image is shown where you have a huge person and in his pockets you have various things, various elephants are coming out, you can see. And there is one party country written, a dollar is shown, corporate America is shown. Now, this cartoon was drawn during the presidency of George Bush. George Bush was from the Republican Party in the USA. Symbol is elephant. It suggests that corporate America controls all the major institutions of the country. For you have the Senate shown, the President, the White House, Supreme Court, the media is also shown. So, this is what this image is telling you. Now, the questions. Why is the elephant shown in the image? Elephant is a huge animal and USA also is a huge country. Symbol of the Republican Party. Or C, elephant is trumpeting all the achievements. The answer is B. It's the symbol of the Republican Party. The next MCQ for the same image. Which are the major institutions shown? Supreme Court, Senate, President, media. If you see this image, you will see all this written, and that Fox and Friends is the media. So here the answer is E. It's all of the above because all the four are shown over here. The next MCQ with the same figure. What does the picture signify? Supreme Court is all powerful. Survival of the fittest. Corporates are controlling all the important institutions in the country. The answer is C. That is, corporate America is controlling the Senate, the Supreme Court, and so on. So, answer is C. Now, in the next MCQ, see the image. You see a person, on his jacket EC is written, so you know he's the election commissioner. Then he has a roll of paper, the election code is written. What is in his hand? There is like a hunter, like a whip in his hand, which shows the control, okay? And he's shouting out, attention. Then you see all these candidates. Somewhere free is written, free because very often during campaigns, candidates say we'll give free of this, free of that. Somebody is with some bag in his hand. Somebody has a mic blaring out something. Because all this is shown. See the expressions on their face. Nobody is eager, nobody is enthusiastic. All are not liking what the commissioner is saying, and the commissioner is, I think, saying it very loudly. And what does this show? Because in our country we have the election code which has to be followed, and the election commissioner can do it. He implements it. You'll have learned this in the 9th class. Now, relating to this image, what could be the question? What is being depicted by this caricature? Political reforms are not acceptable to the candidates, demanding freedom of press, or going to a resort. Well, the answer is A. They are not really very happy with the reforms. Now, relating to this image itself, the next question. Again, it is, what does it signify and which is the best option? A. The election commissioner is trying his best to bring political reforms. B. The politicians are not very eager to follow the reforms. C. The election commission does have powers to control and regulate the election procedures. So A, yes, he's trying his best to bring the reforms. B, seeing their faces, no, they are not eager to follow them. C, he has the powers. So all three are right. Everything is being signified over here, depicted over here. So the answer is D, all of the above. Now in this next MCQ, the image shown is of leaders, or I would say candidates on a stage, and all of them are shouting out, blaring out. Then you see certain, spades and all such things, mics blaring out. And then you see this man with a newspaper in his hand. It's written, the nation in peril. Peril is danger. And his wife is saying, where have all our leaders gone at this time? Gone at a time like this. Now I have made a red marking on this particular figure because this common man was made very, very famous by our cartoonist R.K. Lakshman. Okay, so the common man is reading and he's saying this, the nation in peril. Now, what could be the questions over here? What does the cartoon depict? Political leaders are to be seen when elections are approaching. B. Religious issues play a role in Indian politics. C. Common man wonders, where are the leaders when the country is in danger? Or D. All of the above? The answer is D. All of the above. Everything has been shown in this image by this cartoonist R.K. Lakshman, who was known for depicting Indian politics in a satire. Now, here you have on this stage, if you see all the leaders during election times, they all come out and they are making promises and giving their own ideas and views. Then you do have some, this mandir is shown in one image. So, religion does play a role. And then you have over here this couple who are saying, the nation is in danger at such a time. Where have our leaders gone? So everything is right. So the answer is all of the above. D. Now the next MCQs that we do will be related to the symbols, that is the election symbols of the party. So the first one is, which party has this symbol as its election symbol? You can see some flowers and a little grass, very creative, very artistic. This belongs to All India Trinamool Congress. The next one is an elephant. This belongs to the Bahujan Samaj Party. The next symbol is the lotus. We are all aware this is the Bharatiya Janata Party's symbol, and this is the ruling party at present. The next one, you can see a sickle and some crops. Okay, so that is the Communist Party of India. The next one is a sickle, a hammer, and a small star. Three things are there. This is Communist Party of India, Marxist. That small star is actually the international symbol for communism, and that has been adopted by CPIM. So Communist Party of India has a sickle and whatever crop they are trying to show over here. And the next one, Marxist, is a sickle, hammer, and the star. The next symbol is the palm, the hand. That is Indian National Congress. And the last one in the symbols is a clock. That belongs to Nationalist Congress Party. So these are your election symbols for the various parties, which you should know properly. Thank you for watching part 2 of this video. I hope you have grasped a better understanding of the topic. Please continue to part 3 so we can really help build your knowledge further. Thank you.